wild dolphins call each other by name. Owls don't have eyeballs. They have eye tubes. Horses use facial expressions to communicate with each other. The slowest fish is the seahorse, which moves along at about 0.01 miles per hour. Butterflies taste with their feet. Dogs' nose prints are as unique as human fingerprints and can be used to identify them. Japanese macaques make snowballs for fun. Reindeer eyeballs turn blue in winter to help them see at lower light levels. Turtles can breathe through their butts. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards and their wings can beat at up to 80 times per second.